Hello, welcome to ArtsyMed. In this channel where you can find craft related videos, travel and journaling videos. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for continuously supporting ArtsyMed. In this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make this stamping platform for only 66 pesos. Here are the materials that you will be needing. 1. Translucent folder case, post-it tape, magic tape or scotch tape, and tin magazines. I got this case folder from Japan Home Center. This is a size A4. The most ideal thickness of the case folder is as thin as possible. So for this one, it is 1.5 centimeters. When you open this, each panel will measure around 1 centimeter. Next is you should have a magazine that's thin enough, like this one or this one. So I'll be using this one first. So when you open this, the size of your magazine should be as high as half of the folder. Then you take out your tape, masking tape or magic tape. For here, I'll be using Scotch Tape. And then you just turn this around and put onto the four corners of your magazine. Then just attach this here. So that to keep this magazine in place. If you have a graphing paper, you can put it here on top of the magazine so that you'll have a guide to keep your stamping in a line or in place, to help you in aligning. But I don't have it right now, and I can't buy one since we're in community quarantine. And then you just use post-it tapes in aligning and attaching the paper into the stamping platform. So to use this, you just put your cardstock or your paper into the platform. Using the post-it tapes, you attach the paper into the magazine. After you're happy with the layout and the arrangement of your clear stamps in your cardstock, you then close the lid so that the clear stamps will stick into the cover. As you can see here, the clear stamps already stick onto the cover, and then I'm just inking it, and we just give this a little press. And as you can see here, I missed a little spot, so I'm again re-inking the stamp, and then I'll stamp it again, and it will stamp on the exact same spot. And there you go, the perfect stamp image. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch my other YouTube videos as well. Bye-bye!